My name is Elsa Batalden, and I'm currently interning as the Executive Office Intern at the Legal Services Corporation. In this country, civil proceedings primarily differ from criminal proceedings in that in criminal proceedings, you are entitled to an attorney no matter the level of charge, whereas civil proceedings, you're not entitled in every instance. It's very problematic when people don't have representation in civil matters, and a good example of this is in eviction proceedings, because 90% of landlords will come into eviction proceedings with representation, whereas sometimes less than 10% of tenants will come in with representation. And so it would be just sort of a slate of evictions during a typical day in court, just by virtue of the complexity of the court systems and how the system is sort of stacked against you when you try to represent yourself. When someone does have legal representation, the script completely flips. In New York City, in 78% of cases when tenants are represented, they avoid eviction, and similar statistics are seen across the country. Legal Services Corporation is a nonprofit founded by Congress in 1974, and it is the largest distributor of civil legal aid in this country. So they request over $1 billion a year in funding from Congress. They usually receive about $500 million, and their responsibility is to dole that out to grantees on the regional level. They've had task forces focusing on the opioid crisis, on right to counsel and eviction proceedings, on immigration. So it really is all over the country in every area of civil legal aid. I think the LSC, or being at LSC, has really heightened my interest in the law. So it's been really quite the learning experience, and I think it's helped me narrow in on what sort of law I'd like to practice in the future.